What is up, guys? Happy 4th of July. This is Shadesmoto here, and the video is set for high exposure, so you really can't see it right now. That is my 300EX. I'm going to make an awesome 4th of July video for you awesome people. Over 130 some subscribers. That is just so great. I am so happy. And, well, let's get to riding. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a little oil spot there. My bike leaked a few drops of oil. I don't know whether it's from like when I changed the oil last, oil on the skid plates, because I sprayed underneath the plastic skid plate. It might have kicked some of that up, because most times when I clean it, I don't get underneath the skid plate. I don't know. I mean, if it is leaking oil, it's just a small minor leak from the drain plug, so worst comes to worst, I just like get some new oil, drain the oil, and I put like some gasket sealer on the screw, because like it's a few drops like in a day. So I mean, a little bit of gasket sealer will solve it. It's not stripped or anything, so I'm lucky. Well, anyway, enough of the bad, more of the good. Oh yeah. Just want to do a couple warm welcoming wheelies. Truck now, well, not really burn out, so there's no smoke because the ground is so wet. But damn, happy birthday, America! Oh my God! I know Zach Attack 24 already made one of these videos. I know Jelly for Sale's getting a bike. All sorts of good stuff is happening in the motovlogging community. It's just a great time to be a motovlogger, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Baker X Dare got himself a Grom. I mean, 2016 is a great year to be a motovlogger. And, well, damn. I mean, this stuff, it's had its ups and downs. I received some backlash on some videos, but it's all worth it in the end. It is just so worth it because alright guys, wheelies for the troops. Let's see how good I can wheelie for those troops. I'm probably not that good. The road is so wet. I was actually getting wheel spin on pavement. I was bringing the front end of the bike up as I was spinning tires. Maybe I'll do a better wheelie when the road's actually dry. I mean, that's pavement, but it's wet. Well, anyway, guys, I'm not going to make this video too long, but I just want to show you guys some good old-fashioned revs for America! Gotta love America, guys. Oh my God. I mean, it is raining, but it is just, Alright guys, this is enough for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and happy birthday, America.